Welcome to game time with Mercy and Mommy. So this time around we will be playing the make a specific number card. If you are to make 10, then each of us will be picking two cards that adds up to 10. Then we'll take turn. We can do make 15, make 20. We just do it like that. So the person with the highest number of cards, the person with the higher number of cards is the winner. Watch us play and try it at home. So this is the rule of the game, Mercy. You see all the cards on the table, right? So now we want to make 10. We are starting with 10. So you select two cards. You look for two cards that adds up to give 10. I'll also look for two cards that adds up to give 10 till there are no more cards that adds up to give 10. So once you pick your own, you keep them. Once I pick my own, I keep them. Do you understand? So you have to hurry up. You have to be fast. I must not win you and you must not win me. You must try as much as possible to pick all the numbers two in two, right? That can add up to give 10. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. Two numbers that add up to give 10. Good job.
Hello.
2. 10 is out of the game because we need 2. We need 2 and they must add up. We must put them together to add up.
3 and
No cheating. No cheating. So pick. Easy. Pick. Two numbers that add up to give 10. Mommy is winning. 7 and 2 does not add up to give 10. Okay, good job. I have seen 8. You've seen 2. I have seen 8. I will pick your 2. If you don't pick them, I will pick them all. I have seen 8. We have. Okay, don't let me even tell you that you're not winning. Do we have more cards that add up to give 10? No. We only have 9 and 10 here. So now let's see. Let me see each pair that you picked here. Let me see your cards. This is 6 plus 4, right? For me, this is 1. I got 1 10. Wait. I will show you mine. You will show me yours, okay? So that I will be sure that you don't make mistakes. So can you see? This is 1. Wait, let me finish mine, okay? This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. And this is 7. Let's see yours. This is 6.
I want to see this.
This is 7. So let's see yours.
1.
Yes, good job. 1.
This is 2.
Good job.
This is 3.
Good job.
This is 4.
Good job.
This is 5.
Good job.
This is 6.
Good job.
And this is 7.
Oh, there is no winner.
A tie.
This line there is a tie. So we are going again. This time around, let's do which one should we do? Which number should we add up to? You tell us now. Which number should we add up to?
15.
15. Good job. So two numbers that add up to give 15. Are you sure we are going to get a lot of numbers from here that add up to give 15? Okay.
No, not a lot.
Yeah, but at least
because it's a big
we will
number.
get. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want 3, 4, go. Nine and 4 will give 15. Will 9 and 4 give 15? 9 plus 4?
14.
13. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 9 plus what will give 15?
5.
No. 9 plus what would give
4.
No, 15.
6.
Good. Keep it up. I'm still looking for mine. I'm still looking. You keep looking. I'm still looking. You keep looking. You keep looking. Do we still have more numbers?
It is 7 plus 8.
Do we still have more numbers? I think that's all. We are picking 2 numbers, not 3. So that's all. So who is the winner? Messi is surely the winner this time around. So I have 9 plus 6, 15, 1. 7 plus 8, 15, 2. 10 plus 5, 15, 3. 9 plus 6, 15, 4. 10 plus 5, 15, 5. How many do you have? 8 plus 7, 1.
8 plus 7,
2.
7 plus 8,
3.
6 plus 9,
4.
4 plus 9, 15.
No, 4 plus 9 is not 15. You miss it. That's 4. Leave it. That's 4.
6.
See, 5. That's 5.
5, 6.
I think this is 6. Are you sure you've not miscounted? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do you mommy have?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would have add 7. 9 plus 4 because you made a mistake the first time.
No, I need 6.
You are supposed to have 6, not 4. Even with that, Mercy is still the winner. Let's give it up for Mercy. That's because I told you. If I hadn't told you, you would have missed that too, you know. So let's go once more. What number should we add up to now? They add up to 14. Oh, okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 2 numbers that add up to 14. If you make mistake this time, I will tell you. They add up to 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 2 numbers that add up to 14, 2 numbers that add up to 14, 2 numbers that add up to 14. Okay. 2 numbers that add up to 14.
I don't feel like 1.
There are more numbers on the table. Mercy, stop playing. What are we going to add to 5 to give 14?
Six.
5 plus 6.
5.
5 plus 6 will give what?
9.
5 plus 6 will give 9.
5 plus 9.
See, we are not in a competition. Calm down. Okay, it's 5 plus 9. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So keep on saying. Is that all?
6. To 6 we need
6 plus what would give 14? Don't check the cards in your hand because I am assuming that you made a mistake already. 6 plus what would give 14? Six plus what would give 14?
8.
8. So let's keep on saying 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So I am assuming that you made a mistake there already. If not, these ones are supposed to have something. This is 6 and this. Okay, we have nothing more. Now let's count. I have 1, 2.
5 plus 9.
I have 5 plus 9, 14. Isn't it? 5 plus 9 is 14. I told you. That's 1. 10 plus 4 is 14. That's 2. 10 plus 4 is 14. That's 3. 9 plus 5 is 14. That's 4. I have 4. So let's see yours.
6 plus 8 is
1.
6 plus 8 is 2.
2.
9 plus 5 is
3.
3. 9 plus 5 is
4.
10 plus 4 is
5.
4 plus 10 is
6.
7 plus 8 is
7.
8 plus 7 is
Wrong. 8 plus 7 is 15. So let me see the next one in your hand. So even this one is wrong.
7 plus 7.
So I am supposed to deduct these 2 from these ones, but I will pardon you. Next time, if you pick wrong ones, I will deduct it from this. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next time, if you make a mistake, I will deduct these 2 from it and it will be 5, okay? But even if I deduct the 2 from it, it will be 5, right? That means you score 5 and I score 4. So you are still the winner.
I win the time.
Yeah, that's because I let you win. So when I saw 6 here, I knew that you've made a mistake again. So because you are supposed to have this 6 and 8, this 6 and 8. I mean, this 6 and 8, and this 6 and 8, and this 7 and 7.